Alright, so I'm going to unbox this see. And so it comes with the little hooks you have to cut. Grab a scissors real quick. And so you just cut them. You have the thing. And then here you have screws. You have a battery compartment. And so it comes with USB, battery, and also some other batteries for the remote. I'm going to unscrew this, and I'll be showing how the remote works with the actual RC, and then I'll show outside. Okay, so this is RC. When you press up, it goes left. When you press down on the right side, it goes backwards, right, forward, left, forward, backwards. So once you figure out how to use it, it's easy to control. This one takes a little bit of time to learn how to control, because it does maneuver different than other RCs. It does go a little bit fast. And my son really enjoys it.